This is root canal treatment. Thanks to advances in treatment and dental technology, and also to Dr. Yazan, many teeth can be saved. One way a tooth can be saved is with a procedure called root canal treatment. I can surely say that it was an amazing course, root canal treatment with Dr. Yazan. A tooth that has a root canal treatment often lasts a lifetime, so that your patients can smile on with confidence, and if that is it, you're the right dentist.